and welcome to the Jofos IT Academy once again. If you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Foster. I'm the founder and the CEO of the Jofos IT Academy. This is the lesson 15 in our Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginners to advanced level. In our previous lesson, that was lesson 14, we were able to come out with a table like this. We were able to learn how to add additional columns and additional rows to this particular table or to our tables in Microsoft Excel worksheet without any challenge and without any stress. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to merge or how to delete cells, how to delete columns, and how to delete rows in Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to delete columns and how to delete rows in Microsoft Excel worksheet without any challenge and without any stress. So please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Make sure that you share the video with your friends and family members to also benefit from us on this channel, because we have a lot of videos on how to create a school management system, a lot of videos on how to build a school database system using Microsoft Excel and Word VBA. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So to delete a column in Microsoft Excel worksheet, you quickly have to select the column like this. You come to the top here, then tap on the F or the E. You tap on the column head like that, then everything will be selected for you. So the next thing you need to do is to quickly right click, then you select delete, or you come to the delete tool at the top here. So which one do we want to delete? Is it a cell that we want to delete, or it is a column that we want to delete, or is the entire sheet that we want to delete? We don't want to delete the entire sheet, we want to delete sheet columns. So click on sheet columns like that. So please, have you seen that particular column, the English language column, has just disappeared? So if you want to delete a particular row too, if you want to delete the row, maybe you have done something on one of the rows and you think it's a mistake and you want to delete, so you only come to this side here where the 9 is written, where the 1 2 3s are. So you just tap there, then you see that one row is being selected, a row like this is being selected. So let's assume I want to delete the data for Jojo Wisdom or Alfred K, any one of them. Just select it, click inside this particular number here, then you see that this particular section will be selected, the entire row will be selected. So we have two options here. It's either you right click on the row to click on delete, or you come to the top here, then you click on delete. Have you seen that it is gone? It is gone. Let me bring it back. Let me undo this action. We call this one undo. So let me bring it back. Then I'll click on the drop down here. Have you seen that there is a small triangle appearing at the bottom of this particular delete cells? So click on it. What do we want to delete? Is it a cell, is it a row, or is it a column? Which one do we want to delete? We want to delete what? Row. So click on row, then it will just disappear like that. So that is how we delete rows in Microsoft Excel worksheet. And I taught you how to delete columns in Microsoft worksheet as well without facing any problem. If you are meeting this channel for the first time, please, once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you like and share our videos with your friends and families to also benefit from us on this channel. Make sure that you drop your comments in the comment section of this video. Like and share these videos with your friends and family members to also benefit from us on this channel. All right, so let's continue. I want to bring those things back. Maybe I deleted them by mistake and I want to have them back again. So what do I need to do? The only thing that I need to do is to quickly come to the undo here, then undo delete. I will say now the Alfred K is back. The Alfred K is back here without any challenge and without any stress. So the next thing that we are going to do is to come to this one here. I've seen that the English scores column is also back without any stress and without any challenge. All right, so let's learn how we can assign colors to all these columns in the Microsoft Excel worksheet without any challenge and without any problem. So if you want to assign a column color or a color to this particular column here, you only need to come and stand here, select the first cell there, then you left click on your computer mouse, then you drag it, you hold it, or then you drag it to the last end of the table like this. Then we come to the color tab here, or the fill color there. Then we select the color that we want to assign to that particular column like this. So please have you seen it? Then we come to this one too. We come to this one too here. We select it like that. Then we come to the fill color tab. Then we select a different color, the one that we prefer. So let me go for this one here. Then we come to the science scores. Then we also select everything inside that particular column. Then we come to the fill color tab here. Then we select the color that we prefer. So let me go with this one. Then we come to the last section here. We come to the last section here. Please make sure that you save your table, because we are going to use it in lesson 16 for something very important. Okay, so let's select this one too as well, just like that. Then we come to the fill color tab. Then let's go for yellow, or let's go for something like yellow so that our figures can show clearly. Then we need to assign a color to the names column here. We need to assign a color to the name column there, so we select that one too as well. Then we come to the fill color tab. You come to the fill color tab. Then let's select some color. I think this color is not bad. Or we select the deep blue there for this particular one. Oh no. Let's change it. We need a bright color. We need a bright color. Let's select a bright color from here. So I think this will be okay. Good. So after entering all this, after doing all these formattings, don't forget to save your work. So Ctrl S to save your work. Save your work so that you not lose it. Good. So this is how we delete columns and rows in Microsoft Excel worksheet, and this is how we assign colors to the various columns to look more professional. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Like and share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit from us on this channel. Subscribe to the channel. Click on one of the videos popping up on your screens. Watch them for your own benefit. Once again, my name is Foster, the founder of the Jufos IT Academy. Thank you very much. Let's meet in lesson 16.